Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius, your favorite tech channel. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'm going to compare and actually evaluate the application TextNow. So I'm going to give you or inform you guys that whether using TextNow in the year 2024 is either worth it or not. I'm going to cover all the features, all the benefits you get from using the TextNow application, and I'm going to cover the important countries which are the largest user base of the TextNow application, and the people who the TextNow application is actually targeting. And if you are located outside those regions, you may face few errors. I'm going to literally inform you everything, so make sure to watch this video until the end, and I'm going to actually give you solutions for the people who are located the specific regions. And if you are facing errors, I'm going to explain all the errors and I'm going to give you ways to actually solve it too. Okay, now let's not waste any more time and let's just straightly dive into the video. Number one, TextNow is actually available in the Google Play Store for the people who are located outside Asia. I mean, primarily for the people who are located in the US and Canada regions. So let's say the people who are located in the North American continent and the Europe will be able to download the TextNow application from the Google Play Store page. And for the people who are located outside these regions, you won't be able to get the TextNow application from the Google Play Store page. If you try to search for TextNow, you would get this looking for TextNow Call plus Text Unlimited. This app isn't available on Google Play in your region, but still we can actually download this application from the Google Play Store. Like as you can see that I have downloaded this application actually from the Google Play Store. Wait, I'll show you. See, app download from Google Play Store. See, oh, there is an update. I've just updated this application. Now you are wondering how to get this application from the Google Play Store. All you have to do is search for TextNow in your any of the browsers. I'm using Google Chrome. Just open their official link, that is textnow.com. Here you would get navigated to the page. It's taking a while. Once you are here, just scroll down. Or wait, there is this option to get it on Google Play Store. Just click on this and you will be redirected to the Google Play Store page where you will be able to download this application. If you are facing any errors in this specific step, then please make sure to mail me along with the screenshot, so I'd be glad to help you. Now if we're going to take a look at the features of the TextNow application, the feature to receive OTPs has now become paid, so you won't be able to make social media accounts using the free version of this application. But still you will be able to make unlimited cold calling within the US and Canada with the number which you can obtain from this application. They give you unlimited calling, so it's one of the best applications out there for the cold calling. I guess it's the market. It has over 100 million plus downloads. None of the other applications on the Google Play Store which provide you with a second free phone number for the US and Canada countries do not have 100 million plus downloads. So obviously this is the number one market leader. The user interface is very good. It's actually the best, I would say. But still, if this application is actually recommended for the year 2024, I would say it is not for the people who are located outside the US and Canada. And for the people who are located in the US and Canada too, this application is not that much recommended, as you have other obvious and amazing alternatives such as Google Voice and Text Free, which provides you with the same features completely for free, along with the option to receive OTPs. Now the reason why I'm telling this application is not recommended for the people who are located outside the US and Canada in the year 2024 is because of the lot of errors. I mean, because of the errors which you may face when using this application. Primarily there are 4 errors. That is the TextNow installation error which you saw previously when searching in the Google Play Store. That is very easily resolvable. Now second is going to be the sign up error, that is TextNow is unavailable in your country. Well, this is one of the major errors everyone is facing, and for some people it is actually resolvable easily, but for some others it's actually very hard to resolve the problem. I was actually able to finally resolve the problem, but the methods which I am showing you guys are still many of you are saying that it is not resolvable. Just remember, I am not making a fake video. I resolved the error in front of your eyes. But if you are still unable to resolve this error, it just means that it is irresolvable. So if you want to learn how to resolve this error, then please go make sure to please go take a look at this video. This video actually shows you guys how to solve all the errors, but this video was taken in the 2024, so some of the steps might have changed, but still it's worth taking a look at this video. This video's link is going to be available in the description and the first comment. So before quitting this video, please go take a look at the comment section. It will help you a lot. Now the third error is going to be an error has occurred. That is when you are choosing a number, you would be prompted to enter your area code, and when you are going to enter your area code, you would get this error. That is, an error has occurred. So without obtaining a number, simply making an account and keeping, and without obtaining numbers are obviously a waste in this application. So this application is entirely waste. So now the final error is going to be your account has been disabled error. After all the hard work which you put in for making an account, installing this application, making an account and obtaining a number, after let's say 24 hours, within maximum 3 days, your account is going to get disabled. And even if you submit an appeal, you're not going to get a response. Let's say if you are a paid user, you may get a response, but still it's not going to be favorable. It's because of a certain law passed by the US government. It gave TextNow a certain update in the 2023. If I'm going to just summarize the update, it's going to be that the people who are located outside the US and Canada, especially the Asians, are not to be, they are not supposed to obtain a number of the US and Canada region. It is primarily to reduce the spams and scams happening within the US and Canada. So that's the reason why the US government imposed a certain law. It's not actually a law, but it is like a warning given to this application, and they are supposed to follow it. If you want to learn all the information about the update in depth, in detail, then please go take a look at this video. This video's link is also going to be available in the description and the first comment. So you will be able to understand that TextNow is not a worthy application to use in the 2024. So what could we do? If the TextNow is not a worthy application, you can try the best other alternative applications to the TextNow application. Well, some other good alternatives could be Google Voice. It's obviously going to be a good application because it's from Google, and again, if you're located outside the US and Canada regions, you are going to face certain errors. Well, what am I doing? So I'm using other alternatives such as TextFree and TextPlus, but you could try other alternatives too. I am right now going to try a certain alternative. After trying it out, I would reach out and I would try to make a separate video showing you guys which is the best alternative. So I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video. If you did, then do not forget to just click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button. And if you did enjoy this video, just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video. It's me, Surya Prakash from Protech Genius, signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.